Welcome to QuickTale English. Today we read a new short story to practice your English. Theme: The Unnamed Letter. Leo lives in a small, quiet house. He is a quiet man. He likes to read books and drink tea. He does not have many friends. His family lives very far away. One Tuesday morning, the postman comes. The postman gives Leo a pile of letters. Most of the letters are bills. But there is one small white envelope. The envelope is strange. It has no stamp. It has no return address. It has no name for the sender. Leo looks at the envelope. He is confused. Who is this from? He thinks. He opens the letter carefully. The paper is thick and blue. The handwriting is neat. The letter is very short. It says, "I see you. You are good. Look outside at the big tree. Look for the red thing. Do not tell anyone. Be quick." Leo reads the note 2 times. He is very confused. He puts the letter on the table. He goes to the window. He looks outside at the garden. The garden is small. There is one big oak tree in the center. The tree is old and tall. Leo looks at the ground near the tree. He looks for something red. Yes! He sees it. Near the roots of the big oak tree, there was a small, old red ball. It is a toy ball. Leo goes to the kitchen. He puts on his shoes. He goes outside. He walks slowly to the tree. He takes the red ball. It is heavy. It is dirty. He turns the ball over. A small piece of white paper is taped strongly to the ball. It is a second note. Leo peels the note off the ball. It says, "Good work, Leo. Now, go to the park. Sit on the old bench. The bench is near the statue. Wait for the dog." Leo is surprised. A dog? He puts the red ball and the notes in his pocket. He closes the garden door. He walks to the park. The park is close. Leo finds the old wooden bench near the statue of the soldier. He sits down. He waits. 5 minutes pass. 10 minutes pass. Then, Leo sees movement. A big, friendly, brown dog runs across the grass. The dog runs right to the bench. The dog is holding something in its mouth. It is a small, woven wooden basket. The dog puts the basket at Leo's feet and wags its tail. Leo is happy. He pets the dog's head. He takes the basket. Inside, there is a fresh loaf of bread. The bread is warm. There is also a third, longer note. The third note says, "Happy birthday, Leo. I am your sister, Clara. I live far away. I cannot visit, but I remember your birthday. I know you like mysteries and good bread. The dog is the postman today. The bread is warm. Eat the bread. Call me soon." At the bottom, there is a phone number. Leo is very surprised. He has a sister? He has not seen her for many years. He takes the bread out of the basket. It smells wonderful. He eats a small piece. It is the best bread he has eaten in his life. The mystery is over. Leo smiles. He takes his phone from his pocket. He calls the number. "Hello? Clara?" he says. Thank you for joining QuickTale English. Subscribe for more real and captivating stories. See you next time.